PlanetTogether gives you the opportunity to flex your desired results based upon the ever-changing conditions of your business environment.
It's a planning and scheduling system, but beyond that, it provided a communication vehicle for us. There was a whole bunch of other benefits to the supervisors, freeing up a lot of their time.
A program like PlanetTogether helps you identify where things are really getting hung up in your operation and allows you to focus your resources on improving that particular bottleneck.
Scheduling's problem, or planning and scheduling problem, is always complicated. It's always going to be complex. Our work is to solve that complex problem, but package in a way that's simple to the end users.
Anyone can use our product. You can have a very complex system, or you can have a simple system. We're a small team that has the ability to affect worldwide manufacturing.
It's really nice to work with a group that is entirely top of their game.
After I'm done developing a feature and testing a feature, I get to see the clients actually using the feature.
It's very gratifying for us to see the improvements that some of our customers are making in their operations.
I definitely would recommend PlanetTogether. I have. It has just been a great product.
In the case of scheduling and planning, it's one of the most overlooked opportunities that exist in manufacturing America today.